Brex just built an AI agent policy by watching what agents actually do, not by writing rules first, and it's a game changer for enterprise security. This approach is significant because traditional guardrails couldn't contain what those agents were doing with real credentials like API keys, OAuth tokens, and service accounts. Brex set out to overcome these limitations by building an internal platform it calls CrabTrap, which learns from the agents themselves. By doing so, Brex has been able to create a more effective and adaptive security system, one that can keep up with the ever-changing landscape of AI agents. This move is crucial for companies that are increasingly relying on AI agents to perform critical tasks, as it helps to mitigate the risks associated with granting these agents access to sensitive data and systems. The implications of Brex's approach are far-reaching, and it could potentially change the way companies think about AI security. By focusing on what agents actually do, rather than trying to write rules for them, Brex is able to create a more nuanced and effective security system. This is especially important as AI agents become more widespread and are given more autonomy to make decisions and take actions. As we move forward, it will be interesting to see how other companies adopt similar approaches to AI security. Moving on, another major development in the AI security space is the release of VulnHunter, an open-source AI tool by Capital One that finds software flaws before hackers do. VulnHunter is a significant development because it uses agentic AI to scan source code for exploitable vulnerabilities, map out how an attacker would reach them, and propose targeted fixes. This tool has the potential to revolutionize the way companies approach software security by identifying and addressing vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. The fact that Capital One is releasing VulnHunter as open source is also noteworthy, as it will allow other companies to build upon and improve the tool. By making VulnHunter available to the public, Capital One is helping to create a more secure software ecosystem and setting a high standard for other companies to follow. Speaking of AI and infrastructure, a recent panel at VB Transform 2026 highlighted the challenges of integrating AI agents with legacy infrastructure. The panel, which included leaders from LinkedIn, Walmart, and Zendesk, discussed how legacy infrastructure is often the bottleneck when it comes to deploying AI agents. This is because agents think in milliseconds, but legacy infrastructure can't keep up. The panelists shared their experiences of what broke when they moved agents into production, and how they had to adapt their infrastructure to support the speed and agility of AI agents. This is an important reminder that the successful deployment of AI agents requires not just advances in AI technology, but also significant investments in infrastructure. As companies continue to adopt AI agents, they will need to prioritize infrastructure upgrades to ensure that they can support the speed and agility of these agents. In other news, Databricks has hit a valuation of $188 billion, extending its run as AI's favorite second act. Databricks' success is a testament to the growing importance of AI in the tech industry, and the company's ability to adapt and evolve in response to changing trends. By remaking its image into an AI company and publishing research on the cost savings of open-weight AI models for coding, Databricks has positioned itself at the forefront of the AI revolution. The company's focus on AI has clearly paid off, and its valuation is a reflection of its success. Finally, Agility Robotics is planting its flag in Tesla's backyard, opening a new training center for its Digit robots in Fremont, California. And that's all for today. Tune in tomorrow when we'll be discussing how Google's new AI-powered chip is set to disrupt the entire semiconductor industry.